So welcome back, and this is the part 2 of the 3D polygons, and this we're going to just get some few things. This video is going to be very short, and then the part 3 is going to be a bit longer. All right, so we'll just have a few things to cover here. Okay, so now we have questions we want to answer. Questions like, what is the perimeter in 2D, or what is the area in 2D of these two datas we have here, and what is the surface area, what is the minimum elevation and the maximum elevation. So we'll be able to answer those questions in this video. So now we right click on the second one. We're going to do that for the both, so I'll just do one, then you do it for your two in case you're following. Now you go to properties. Let's put this here. So right click and go to properties, and then you just hide all the, just go to fields and hide all the things except the object ID. So you hide all of this and you say okay, leaving the object ID. So we're going to go to properties of this, and then you'll just see this. Now on this properties, this is the one of this is the one we created with 10-meter buffer. So you go to the table options, and then you go down to add fields, and then you add a field for perimeter. So want to know the perimeter in 2D, whether leave it on short integer or double, anyone will feed in. Then you click on OK. Then here you click on this, making these selections to be blue. Then you right click and you go to calculate geometry. Then you change it to perimeter, and then you click on OK. So it's saying that the perimeter of our data is 80. So let's click and go to table option again, create, add new field, and then we add the field for area. So we want to know the area, and then we make it a double, and then we'll click on OK. So we'll do the same, right click, go to create, calculate geometry, then we have area, then we'll click on OK. So we have our area calculated and our geometry. Now we will do same for this one here, which we add field called perimeter. Oh, sorry. All right, so add field called perimeter, and then you right click and calculate geometry. We make it perimeter and we'll click on OK. Then this is 40 because I remember we did 6 and we did 10. All right, so now the 48, sorry, rather. So we do next add field. This is area, and either short integer or float will do, or double will do. So you click on OK, do this, and then you calculate geometry again and area. So we have an area of 112. Let's check this area as well. Oh, we can't see two at the same time, sorry. So we have this area of 312 and the other area as 112. Okay, now what we want to do next, which will be the final for this video, is that we'll add Z information. Now to know the surface, so the surface of this, the minimum, the maximum elevation, which is, we're going to use a tool called add Z information. Add Z information. Did I spell that right? Information. I think I got it right now. Okay, so we have add Z information. So we're just going to click on this and bring it up. Now we will add either of the two. They're saying add Z. Okay, so we'll be adding not the label, sorry. So we are going to be adding either of our buffer. So let's add the buffer of 6 meters, right? Now Here we can choose output category. We want to know our Z minimum, Z max, Z min, surface area, volume, minimum slope, maximum slope, average slope, or we just click on select all and all will be selected, and then we click on OK. So we're going to do that for the other one, which is yes, that is calculated. So we'll do that for the second one which we have, which is this, and then we'll do the same thing, select all, and we click on OK. So if you like right click and go, okay, it's still working. If you right click and go to properties, you will see all the things we have checked in it. So let's do like this. We have our Z minimal, Z maxima, Z min. Our surface area is 450 and our volume is 899. Our mean slope 3.9, our maximum slope, and then our average slope. So all of these details comes from this singular thing we have created. If you check the two, you will see what I'm doing. So basically, these are little information and little geoprocessing tasks you can do using this. I will see you in the next video. This next video, we're going to take this to Accent and do some 3D analysis. So don't go anywhere. Stick around and let's learn together. So don't forget always to like, share, comment. I like to see your comment. And I will see you in the concluding part of this series. Bye bye.